So the Infinix Hot 12 is one of the latest devices from the brand. It is said to be a successor to the Infinix Hot 11 from last year. It has a little upgrade on its feature and specification I'm going to state out here on this video. So guys, without wasting much of your time, and for you to know more details about the device, let's vibe on. Hey guys, it's Jasper here. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Infinix Hot 12. The Infinix Hot 12 is a nice device. Its body is built with plastic and its front is covered with glass. It has a flat edge durable design at the rear where the camera bumps are located, and while its fingerprint scanner is side mounted. On the display of the Infinix Hot 12, there it has a 6.82-inch IPS LCD display panel, a 90Hz high refresh rate, and a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. This device is powered by MediaTek Helio G85 12nm built-up process. It allows gamers to game in low or high graphics without having any glitch. Infinix Hot 12 gives you a large internal memory storage of 6GB RAM and 128GB of room. So with this large amount of storage, you don't need to worry about space constraints or limitation. What you have to do is just to store your files, music and whatsoever without worrying. Infinix got you covered on this one. So now let's talk about the camera aspect of this device. The Infinix Hot 12 has a optimal camera bump setup at the rear. Alongside it has the LED flash for light shots. The triple camera bump of the Infinix Hot 12 gives you a decent camera of 13MP main sensor, 2MP micro lens, and 2MP depth shooter. And while on the front, there it has a 8MP selfie shooter for cool selfie shots. To be honest, I like the camera setup of the Infinix Hot 12 camera, like the Infinix tried on this one. Let me know in the comment section what you think about the camera setup. If possible, give it a rate. So guys, this is a shot took with the Infinix Hot 12. It looks pretty detailed and decent. If you're trying to get the Infinix Hot 12 for a camera, I think the Infinix Hot 12 will give you a decent camera on this one. The Infinix Hot 12 is a nice device for gamers. Its 5000 mAh battery is able to power all the features of the device that supports 18 watts fast charging. Hot 12 runs the OS version of Android 12 based on SOS 10.6. Purchasing the Infinix Hot 12 might cost you $200 or 93,200 naira here in Nigeria. So guys, welcome to the end of my review for the Infinix Hot 12. Kindly tell me in the comment section what you like most about the device, and don't forget to hit the subscription button and the notification bell to benefit more whenever I drop a new video on this channel. Thank you guys, and see you on my next video. That's Tech.